Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my classic hourly vertical that I use for work. And I wanted to try something a little bit different this week. Instead of just using this to kind of outline all of my meetings, I want to try and kind of work with just the vertical lines in here and use this for to-do lists, list all my meetings, list my priorities and things like that, and see if I can't make this any more functional rather than just looking at my schedule for the week. And I'll be using the new friendship sticker, I say new, but it's new to me, friendship sticker book along with some mild liners. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is it's going to be very functional in terms of how I do each day. And this is going to be very different from any plan review that I've done before. What I'm going to be doing, first of all, is actually removing or putting whiteout on all of the times. One of the reasons I want to do this is kind of just test out just a lined vertical, because I see there is a lined vertical planner that I'm looking at getting, but I want to see if the method that I'm thinking of using will work for this. So I don't want to have any times on it. I just want to treat these as like to-do lists. And I've seen Sparkle on Instagram. If you're not following her, you definitely should. I've seen her use these as like to-do lists, and I love the way she does that. So I think I'm gonna designate these as different things. So there's always priorities, then there's meetings, the to-do list, and I think maybe any notes. But the thing is, I don't know if I'll have enough room every day for notes, so we will see. So the way I'm gonna do this is I'm actually going to go into this as well. Now, do I want to use my ruler to make sure that everything is straight, or do I just want to freehand everything? And when I say use my ruler, it would help if I knew where it was. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm nervous about this. I'm always nervous about trying something new because I don't know if I'm going to like it. But in the last couple of days, I've been really, what is the word? I've been kind of back and forth about whether or not to try a whole new planner layout. So let's see. And then this will be meetings. Okay. Then I'm going to leave a lot of room for meetings. And then my to-do list be here. And actually, I really don't think now there will be room for any notes, which is what my daily is going to be for. Or I'm actually going to use just lined paper during the week to see if that will work for me. So let's move this down one. And then make sure I have enough room. So then, yeah. You guys can kind of see what I'm trying to make here. So, whoops. Yeah, so I don't think there will be room for notes, although I do love this color. So I'm going to fill this part out first here. So this will be for priorities, and I'm wondering if I do it, I'm going to hand letter that. Making sure I spell it correctly. Priorities. Okay. And then I'm going to just add a circle. Now, do I want to use a stencil just to make sure everything is perfect, or do I want to freehand this? That's too big. I want a small circle. You'd think I would be better prepared for this, but I'm not. This circle I think would be, ooh, these two would be perfect. Now, I don't have the shop link for this stencil because I bought this quite a few years ago and they went out of business. So I don't have a link for you guys, unfortunately. I like that already. And then in here will be meetings. Ugh. Oh, save that. Oh, and I just realized I need to do this on all of them. There's gotta be an easier way to hold this. There we go. Oops. I appreciate you guys hanging around for the whole process, even if it means like watching me fill everything in. But this is just a great way to show you different ways of using your planner layout, and not necessarily having to stick to the norm. Like, I love the hourly, but I also want to see if I can make this more functional for me. I already love the look of that. Okay, so Monday I only have 5 meetings, so I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is where I feel like I could use the bigger circle. 1, 2, 3. Just make sure that it's in the middle. 4, 5. Oh, love that already. And then down here will be, actually I'll add one more circle just in case I do get another meeting. And then this will be to do. Perfect. And then I will actually, yeah, do the to-do list as these big circles as well. Or, no, I'm gonna do them as the squares. Yep, oh, I'm gonna like this a lot. Do you guys ever get in those moods where you feel like you just want to try out a whole new planner system? I feel like that's been me this week. Oh, I really like this. Okay, already I'm liking that. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest for Monday through Friday, and then I will go ahead and start decorating with the friendship sticker book, but I'm just gonna speed through this part. Okay, so that took a little bit of time, but I was trying to compare whether I liked just the hand lettering with my regular Signo pen versus hand lettering with a Tombow, and I think I'm going to try and do more hand lettering or brush lettering in the future. So now I'm going to go ahead and start decorating. I do like to make sure that I do try to mix up the stickers and the notes, or what am I saying, guys? I try to do all of my functional first, especially on a work planner, and then do the decoration after. I just find that it's easier. Then I know exactly where I can put stickers, and then versus where I can't. So I'm gonna put here, hello, good times. And then see if I can't find, yes, a nice big long box for here. Perfect. And then maybe something at the bottom, I don't know. We'll see what I can put there. Maybe just a little washi. Oh, cute, yeah. That works out really well. Okay, then on the sides, I can put a few more, I guess, note boxes. Oh, yes. I'm gonna put yellow because I love the yellow in this spread. So I'm gonna put yellow, and this will be a good place for me to be able to put notes as well. And then some of the purple. Oh, I love that, but it's crooked. Oh well. Then let's see if I can't do that. I almost don't want to take away the writing room, but it is very cute and would go really well with a Get It Girl quote. And then I need something for up there. Let's see. Gosh, I'm just looking, like I'm not putting any of these stickers down straight whatsoever, so forgive me for that, guys. And a little rainbow like that. And then feels like it's been easy to decorate because all of this has already been done. But then up at the top, I'm going to add a little bit of washi, and I think I'm gonna have to make that purchase for that. I'm gonna go to the washi tape shop and buy some of the washi that I seem to see everybody using, which I am loving. So I'm gonna have to make that purchase here soon. There we go. Then I'm gonna just put this across the top with some washi. And then, let's see, put another one over here with washi as well, in a slightly different combination, but then see if I can't put a little icon or some decoration to go with it. So I love the letters too. Here we go. Today, love that. And let's see here. Oh, I love this too. There are some great stickers in here. Night, girls' night. I'm gonna do, let's do this, place that here. All right, I am actually really loving the look of this. It's very colorful, even for me, but I love that the mild liner matches so well. And I think I'm gonna put one more. Sticker. All right, what do you guys think? I absolutely love that, and it's so different to what I'm normally used to doing, but I think functionally it will work really well. And then I still have lots of room for notes that I'm going to take through the week, so we'll see if I'll even need daily pages this week. Who knows? All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.